Okay, we have a roller. Kind of got it stuck together. One thing I don't like, it shows up like a sore thumb, is this new bracket for the calipers. I don't like that. So I'm gonna take the hammer and beat it all to pieces. Well, not all the pieces, but I'm gonna beat it up good so it'll match the rest of the car. It looks too smooth and new. I don't like that. It don't look rat roddy enough. So I gotta stress that out. Motor's engine is gonna have to go back a little bit more. I don't have the rear springs in it right now. Got it kind of stationary at the ride height. Got the shocks mounted. Worked out real good right there. Perfect spot. All right, next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get this body, front cowl, body, and the doors kind of stuck together. I'm just gonna kind of tack the doors on, tack it together to make it one whole piece, and set it down on here, start fitting to find out exactly where I want the engine, how far forward or back I want the engine. So I need the body stuck together, stuck on here, so I can figure all that out, because I'm not a rocket scientist. All right, let me get at it. Yeah, these hinges, yeah, screws ain't coming out. You forget that. Old hinges are shot. Got to make new hinges. I done took this one out. Show you how to do that. All right, that's how I looked after I drilled them heads out like that. See, I already got that one off. So 2 down, 1 more to go on that door. Then I got a whole nother door to do. Yeah, that's how you get your old hinges out. All right, here we go. Got the body stuck on there. Got my custom fit body mounts. There's the front ones. There's the back ones. Hold it in place. Got pretty good stance. Got it the front a little bit lower than the back, which is what I wanted. Kind of hard to tell in the shot. I can't back up far enough. That's about ride height. About right there. I think that'll work. I'd already go forward just another ½ inch or so with the body. Maybe. Yeah. Maybe it's something like that. The good news is, it's like this frame was custom made for his body, because this fits perfect. This opening in front of the firewall, I mean, it fits real tight against the body on both sides. Imagine that. It's like it's made for it. I got plenty of room, radiator, and shroud. I want to run the fan on the regular fan that come with the motor. I don't know if it's going to put the radiator too high or not, but we'll see. Might have to put an electric fan on it, but I'd rather not have an electric fan. We're going to find all that out in the next few days. You're going to have plenty of room on the inside. A lot more room than anything I've built so far as rat rods. But I am going to chop the top. I don't know how much yet. I got to get up in there and sit down in it about where I want to be sitting as far as height. See how much headroom I got. I don't want to chop a whole lot, but I don't want like my head a foot below the ceiling. I mean, I want it to look cool. So that's that. By the way, don't pay no attention to that firewall, because I'm going to build a new skin, a dialed up version to replace that firewall. The part I cut out was off center, had a big hump knocked in it for the motor, that 6-cylinder engine to stick back there in the firewall, and it was off center, so it wouldn't look good. It wouldn't have looked good. So I'm going to build a new firewall, skin it with maybe roll some beads in it, make it look nice. So yeah, that's the reason I cut that big old hunk out. I needed to cut that much out to get that bad piece out. It's just, I've been on this thing just a little over a month. What, 6 weeks, something like that? So I got a lot done in that length of time. A whole lot done. Matter of fact, I think I'm gonna take a couple days off. Take a couple days off. All right, appreciate you.